Alright, for the last couple hours I've been installing a flexible LED strip light on the underside of my 4-post lift. I ordered 2 pieces that are 16 foot long and they're cuttable to size. And so I have a 14-foot piece on each side of the jack rails. And they don't interfere with like this rolling jack tray or the drip pans that go in here when I want to store a car underneath. And basically this cord right here is run up to a this orange cord, which is a 3-way pigtail, and it's attached to the side of the lift, and it comes around. I've attached it in some areas where it won't interfere, and then I have the 3-way is this right here, and I'm able to plug my Norco battery tender into it as well. And then on the top I have, that's the passenger side. That is the driver's side. Anyways, that's going to make it much nicer to work under the car and be able to see everything. Getting ready to do the very first oil change. I just hit 1,000 miles, so it's coming up next week. I previously installed some LED lights on the bottom of this baseboard. Just runs the full length of the garage, and it's plugged in right up here, and it just shuts down like that. But anyways, nice little project today. Thanks for watching. Bye.